In this video, we're simply solving for x. So we want our answer to be in the form x equals some number. So in order to do that, we're going to have to do a few steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we want this x by itself, okay? So we need to start removing or moving the other things that are going on around the x. So we can do that by doing the opposite actions, okay? So here we have a minus 10. So if we add 10, and we have to do this to both sides of the equation, okay? We can't add 10 to just one side. But if we add 10 to both sides of our equation, we're going to be able to cancel them out here, okay? Because negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Okay, so now we've successfully moved the 10 to the other side of the equation. So let's simplify. We're looking at the left-hand side. We have 10 minus 6. It's going to give us 4. Then we have this negative 10 plus 10. That's 0. So we're just left with x over 2. Okay, we're going to do something similar again. This x over 2 is the same thing as saying x divided by 2, okay? A fraction is simply a division we have not performed yet. We just haven't done it. So if this is x divided by 2, to get rid of this 2 or to move this 2 to the other side of the equation, we'd have to do the opposite action. So instead of divide by 2, we need to multiply by 2. Okay, and we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So once again, we're on the left-hand side. Let's simplify. 2 times 4 is 8. And then over here on the right-hand side, we have this 2 divided by 2, so they cancel, and we're just left with x. Now, we have our answer. 8 is equal to x. However, in math, we prefer if our variable or unknown that we're solving for is actually on the left-hand side of the equal sign. Okay? It's just math convention, just the way things are done. This answer here is correct, okay? But it's better form to write it with the x on the left-hand side. So, because we're now done, we have a number and it's equal to our unknown. We don't need to do any fancy manipulations or crazy things to move this, to move the x. We can simply just swap the two sides. Okay, instead of 8 equals x, we can just write x equals 8. And that's our answer. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.